without necessarily sacrificing any government structures.
How about the military? Do you think they can take over? Do you think pwede natin sila asahan?
Very possible. Very yung military kasi, they depend on the will of the people. Once we show that the people are angry at the government, sila din ang mag-withdraw ng support. Ito nang nangyari itong EDSA on the recent people power yung nawala si Hera.
Last question. I've heard na you wanted to be the House Speaker. What would you do to change the situation?
If I become House Speaker or
Yeah.
to become House Speaker?
The leader.
Once I'm the leader, I'll make sure to imprison everyone involved. And kahit
Yes.
if that involves half of Congress, if that involves 100, 200 congressmen, then I will do it.
How about the change of constitution?
And that's
Big.
also very possible, pero ngayon, the Constitution, it will be a legal term. Ngayon, ang problema natin, our immediate issue, is the stolen funds and the pervasive corruption within our government. Any constitutional change will happen after that.
Okay. But would you believe or support in the death penalty? Kasi yung mga tao, I'm assuming lahat
Maraming
naghihingi ng death penalty.
Yes, very supportive, especially for rapists, murderers. At ang problema kasi natin, we are one of the most populated, we're one of the countries with the most populated prisons. Yung death penalty, ba't pa natin hayaan mabuhay ng mga 20 years, 30 years yung mga nagmamanyak ng mga bata, and we can just kill them and save all the money that we would have spent on their food and on their cells.
Kung sakaling bumaba si Bongbong Marcos ngayon, ang office nila mahahalal si Duterte, ano palagay mo doon?
Well, anyone except Marcos, I'm pretty sure na siya naman ayaw niya kay Marcos, so I'm sure that she will be able to I'm sure she will be able to imprison those involved in the flood control kasi hindi naman sila pati ni Romualdez, hindi naman niya po-protectan sila Romualdez at yung mga congressman na gusto siyang ipa-impeach. So it's very possible that we will get justice.